Do you people love sipping some coffee, watching the nature outside your window, outside your house? I love it too, and I am a nature lover, of course. And most of you must love nature, or almost everyone loves nature. Who doesn't? But I love nature a lot, and today's video is about that only. Today I'm going to paint a beautiful scenery painting, as you can see in my background, and I hope you like this setup because I am going to make a new video which is going to be renovating my studio. So if you want that just complete soon 1000 or 2000 subscribers, then I'll just go with that video too. So with that, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my Pinterest and my site howtomake.com. all links are over here. So let's start the video without wasting any time, and make sure to follow the drill of like, share, subscribe and comment. So let's start the video. All the art materials are mentioned in the description, so it will just be more easier to find out all the art materials. So let's start the video. The materials you will need are a white sheet of paper, poster colors, a normal tape and some brushes. All the materials that I am using are mentioned in the description. You can buy it from there. So let's start the video. Now you will use a normal paper, and I will start by applying masking tape to all the edges. You will leave a half an inch, and then you will just apply the masking tape to all four sides like this. So now let's take some paint and let's start the painting. So let's start with blue color. I will use this color and start coloring. All the colors which I am making by mixing different colors are mentioned in the video, so that will be really informative and easier for you. So you will just simply paint and apply different colors, mix them with your brush. To merge two colors, don't worry, just add some water, not too much, not too less, a bit of water, and then you will just merge all the colors. You can use any color you want. If you want to add orange, you can go for it, but I am making a combination of blue, black, purple and some pink, some red and some orange and all this stuff. So let's finish this. I am adding some white to make pastel colors like this purple one, and I hope this video will be really informative for you. The colors I am using are Camlin poster colors, and there are many colors, but you can also use acrylic colors if you want. Those will be also, the process will be really same as this one. And as you can see, this pink color looks really beautiful. Let me know in the comment section how this color combination looks like. I love this combination a lot. Now I'm just applying some yellow color, some more lighter yellow color and white, and then I'll just merge it totally into my scenery's background. And as you can see, I'm just mixing it. So while mixing it, let me tell you about my website howtomake.com, where you can find different things which are related to study, like productivity, and more like different articles related to digital marketing. With that, you can also get different articles related to how to make, etc. So let's just finish this painting. So now you have to take a brush and then dip it in white color, and then with your finger spray it like this on the paper. By this you will get a pretty effect of some stars on the landscape or on the sky. So this looks really pretty, guys. I love this effect a lot. Just your hand will be a bit messy, so just wash it off, just don't care about that. See the effect you can see on the page. So it's looking really pretty. Now with help of a black color, I am painting a bit of trees. Like I am painting different small and bigger trees here in this corner. So as you can see, I'm just taking the black paint in my brush and going to draw the texture of the trees. You can draw anything you want. I am just going to follow the steps like this. Okay, I'm just going to draw some small pretty leaves, and then we'll see what we have to do next. Now you will draw two curved lines for the lighting. These lights are really one of my favorite lights, and I'm going to buy it soon, and I'm going to put it on my studio. So I hope that video will come soon after some target of my subscriber, that is 2000 subscribers. So jaldi complete karwa do, guys. So now I will draw some lights, some bulbs with yellow color. This is pastel yellow color, which is made from yellow plus white color. You have to draw simple 2 circles like that. So let's complete these circles and we will see what you have to do next. Now I'll just remove the masking tape of my painting, the most satisfying part of the painting. So let's just take all this masking tape out. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if it was, let me know in the comment section and share your feedback, which motivates me a lot. And soon we are going to complete 1K family, so that's really amazing thing for me. So it's a beginning, we'll just grow more and more. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.